Hey gang, Poppy here. This is my official Toolmaking Contest 2020 entry. Here's the problem. Shearline rotary table, shearline 3-jaw chuck, hexagonal part. We're on 0, 0. Not here. No. What is wrong with you? Oh, okay. Duh. There we go. Okay. It doesn't matter if this table here is level, because this plate and this thing are simpatico. Anyway, if the table would hold still, it says 13.05 degrees, right? Okay. Imagine this ain't moving around. So this 0, 0, 0 is actually good. Now, see, what I did is I manufactured this white Delrin ring. If you will now, very nice fit. Very nice fit indeed. Okay, now, there we go. For some reason, just to cause me consternation, be my guess, that come loose. Now, I bring this around and I set it at 0. This baby's graduated all the way around. Every 5 degrees there's a line, every 15 degrees it's numbered. Just like the graduations and numbers on the rotary table. Now, putatively, this flat surface and this one here are parallel to your milling table. Of course, there is the problem of the fractional degree. You can probably see the shiny arrow point here at the red. I took a piece of aluminum tape, I put it there with a nice little arrow right on the line, and where the aluminum tape is, I took a black Sharpie, permanent. If Stefan Gotza Winter can use it to fill in the graduations on a hand wheel he just engraved, I can do this with it. Okay, now for the fractional degree, there's this. You notice it's got 10 graduations, only needs 5 for even degree. The reason I went to all this work was I wanted to be able to put a hexagonal part in here and have it line up with 0. I had to make a new 0. Actually, 2 new 0s. But this is my tool making 2020 official entry.